Welcome to the State Test Teacher. Today we're going to be talking about multiple meaning words, and we're going to be dealing with one question in particular. The four strategies that I teach my kids to use when answering a question with multiple meaning words are 1. Parts of speech, 2. Gestures, 3. Pictures, and 4. Replace. So let's talk about the first strategy, part of speech. So what I have the kids do is find the underlined word in the example and label it noun, verb, adjective, or whatever it is. In this case, the word bomb is used as a noun. And then we look at answer A and we look for the underlined word there and find out, is it used as a noun as well or something different? If it's different, then it's most likely not the same meaning. So in this case, the soldiers jumped when they saw the bomb. The word bomb is used as a noun. Then we go to B. He caught the long bomb to win the game. The word bomb is also used as a noun. Answer C. He knew the joke was a bomb because nobody understood it. In this case, it's also a noun. And D. She dropped a bomb when she told everyone she was leaving. In this case, the word bomb is also used as a noun. Here's a very important part of what I teach. I tell my students that they should be using at least one strategy because no one strategy is perfect. Now we're going to use the second strategy, which is gesture. I have them use a gesture for the example and see which answer has a similar gesture as the example. So here, the movie was a bomb. I would put my hand to my head and make the gesture of, disappointment. For answer A, the soldiers jumped when they saw the bomb, I would make a gesture of an explosion, which is different from one of disappointment. And for B, he caught the long bomb to win the game, I would make a gesture of catching a ball, which again is different from disappointment. And C, he knew the joke was a bomb because nobody understood it. In this case, I would do a gesture of disappointment because of the joke not being very funny. That one is similar, but I keep on going. I tell my students that even if you think you found the right answer, you need to make sure you try all the answers. And so in this case, D, she dropped a bomb when she told everyone she was leaving. In this case, I would make a look of shock with my face. And it turns out that C has the gesture that's closest to the example, and I would choose C. That's how I would use gestures. The third strategy is pictures. I would draw a picture for each of the underlying words, and I would see which two pictures match. In this case, I felt the movie was a bomb. I would draw, one of those don't signs, as in don't watch the movie. For answer A, I would say the soldiers jumped when they saw the bomb, something exploding. And for B, he caught the long bomb to win the game. In this case, I would draw a football. C, he knew the joke was a bomb. In this case, not good or disappointed or don't, which is a similar drawing to the sample. And D, she dropped a bomb. I would draw a surprised face. And the two pictures that match the most are C and the example, so that would be my answer. But I'm going to go to the fourth strategy, which is replace. I teach my students to think of another word that would make sense in the sentence instead of the word bomb in the sample and see which other sentence can use that same word. So I would say most of the people leaving the theater felt that the movie was and I would use the word disappointment. And then I would see if answer A, B, C, or D can use the word disappointment in a similar way. The soldiers jumped when they saw the disappointment? No, that would not make sense. Or B, he caught the long disappointment to win the game? That would not make sense. And C, he knew the joke was a disappointment because nobody understood it. That makes sense. And D, she dropped a disappointment when she told everyone she was leaving. That does not make sense. So using all these strategies clearly helped identify C as the right answer. I hope this has been helpful, and don't forget there are many ways of asking this question, so try to use these strategies in a variety of ways because eventually you'll find your answer.